Bertha. I am a first grade teacher in the Chicago public school system, and I have been experiencing extensive trouble with my student Gracie. She has a tendency to run away during the middle of my lessons, and I have to chase after her. So I hired this production crew to videotape as I try to resolve this issue in my classroom. Alright, today kids, we are going to be learning some simple math. So I want to ask the question, we learned this last week. 1 plus 1 This is exactly what I'm talking about. It's really hard to deal with. The classroom is completely disrupted. So I think the first method that I'm going to try is going to be negative reinforcement. I never know what to do with her.
I got it.
Yay. What was that?
That was negative reinforcement.
Oh.
That was so much fun. I'm going to run again.
Yes?
I don't think negative reinforcement is working. I think we should try some positive reinforcement.
That sounds like a great idea. Alright, class, we're going to move on to studying some colors. Now, when you mix red and yellow, what color do you get?
Orange.
That's right. Okay, when you mix blue and yellow, what color do you get?
I actually don't know. Green.
Oh. And when you mix all the colors in the rainbow together, what color do you get?
Black.
Oh, great job. You can go out and run for 30 seconds. Okay, time to come back in. Great job.
Thanks.
All right, now we're going to move on to some more math. 1 plus 1 equals?
7.
No.
3.
No.
6.
No.
Can I go run now? That was 3 questions. 3 answers. I run.
Sure.
Run.
It doesn't seem that this is working. She's figured out if she just answers 3 questions, then she gets to run. We need to try something else. Using a fixed ratio schedule didn't work. She figured it out too quickly.
Well,
Oh, yes?
well, you could always try a variable ratio schedule.
Well, what is that?
Well, according to Skinner, it's an arrangement in which reinforcement follows a predetermined number of responses since the previous reinforcement, a number which varies randomly with a specified average.
Oh, so basically I just let her go every random amount of questions?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay, let's try that. Let's try that. Alright, everybody, we're going to move on to some letters. Gracie, what does your name start with?
G.
That's really good. That's so great. What does your last name start with?
S.
Okay, go ahead and run. Alright, Gracie, come back in.
Okay.
Alright, what's the weather like outside today?
Bad.
Yeah, pretty bad. Oh, what else would you say about the weather?
Cloudy.
Yeah. Would you say it's hot or would you say it's cold?
Cold.
Oh, great. What kind of clothes do you need to wear when it's cold outside?
Jacket.
Go ahead and run. I'm starting to run out of questions to ask her. I can't just let her go every certain amount of questions. That's going to be way too many.
I'm not answering any questions.
Yeah, this isn't going so well. What else could we try?
How about a fixed interval schedule?
Oh, I know that one. It's just every certain amount of time I let her go. Okay, let's try that. Hello, class. So we're going to learn about the history of bumblebees and the ways that they fly throughout the sky and pollinate the flowers and everything. Oh, look, it's been 2 minutes. You can go and run. All right, come back in. Alrighty. Okay, so back to the butterflies. The bumblebees. Bumblebees. How do you think that bumblebees pollinate the flowers?
They eat them.
Oh, nope, that's not true. Bumblebees actually fly around and they rub their little butts on the flowers, and that's how they pollinate. Oh, it's been 2 minutes. You can go and run. Okay. Come back in. Okay, this isn't working either. Now she's just staring at the clock and she knows that every 2 minutes she can go. Well, there has to be something. What's the last thing that I could try?
Well, how about if you change the amount of time that she can go and run?
Oh, so variable interval.
Yeah.
That
Well,
sounds
she never
really
knows.
great. That sounds really great. Okay. Back to class now. Okay, guys. So what do you guys want to eat for lunch today? Let's talk about what we have in our lunches. What's in your lunch?
Hot dog.
Oh, okay. What do you like to eat? Oh, those aren't healthy foods. Let's try to name 2 fruits. Yeah.
Apples.
Uh-huh. Fruit snacks. Oh, that's great. You know what? It's been a little bit. You can go run. All right, come back in. Oh, yeah, Gracie.
When can I run again?
We'll see how the day goes. Different amounts of time, you know.
Okay.
Okay, so let's keep working.
Okay.
Okay. Wow, this is working great. She's getting to work. She's not staring at the clock. She's not worrying about the number of questions she's asking. I don't have to come up with so many questions. This variable interval, amazing. I think that it solved our problems. I don't think we need you guys anymore. Thanks.